Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano with White Street Homes, and today I'm visiting a brand new subdivision by Toll Brothers, Holly Farms. This community consists of single-family homes on wooded lots, backing up to a beautiful nature preserve. Holly Farm is in Woodstock, Georgia, which is 32 miles north of Atlanta. The main highway you take to get into Atlanta is Georgia 400. Woodstock is next to Alpharetta, so you have easy access to all of the shopping and dining options available in Alpharetta. In fact, we're only 7 miles to the Avalon and 9 miles to Halcyon. On top of that, the adorable downtown Woodstock area is only 10 minutes away. So you have access to everything you need here, including a Publix, Target, and Costco, all under 6 miles from here. Today, I am so excited because we're going to be touring the beautiful Hendricks model home behind me here. And the Hendricks is one of my all-time favorite floor plans from Toll Brothers. And if you know Toll Brothers, if you're familiar with their work, you know that all of their model homes are over the top. If you're thinking about making a move to Georgia or within Georgia, or are interested in building a new construction home, please contact me. I would love to be your realtor and help you through the process of finding a community, picking a floor plan and a lot, helping you design it, and then being your guide through the entire construction process right up until close. I specialize in new construction and I stinkin' love it. So without further ado, let's check out your brand new house. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. So what did you think about this house? I loved it. I have to say that this Hendricks floor plan is one of my favorites by Toll Brothers, and it's probably because of all of the tall ceilings in the foyer and in the great room, and the light just pours into this house, which is so important to me. I also really liked the full finished basement with the gaming area, the ping pong table, the built-in benches, and then you had your bar area with the kegerator, and then you had your theater area. I love that they put another bedroom down here, perfect for guests. I thought that was all really nice. Now, a full basement here in a Toll Brothers home will generally cost you about $100,000, and they do not finish it for you. However, they do include them in a lot of their model homes so that you can get an idea of the potential for that space. I also love this outdoor entertaining area. It is September here in Georgia, and September is gorgeous in Georgia. So this space, I could just see really enjoying your weekends out here, enjoying the beautiful wooded lot, all of this privacy. Oh yeah, this is definitely gorgeous. Right now, Toll Brothers is offering some amazing incentives, but they change all the time. So if you want more information on that, give me a call. I'd love to go over all of that with you. So what did you think about this house? I would love to know your opinions in the comments. And that's a wrap for the tour of Holly Farms. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are moving to Atlanta and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you and your family, or if you're interested in a Toll Brothers property, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you through the entire construction process as your realtor. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. And I am going to be posting all kinds of videos on the suburbs of Atlanta, from pros and cons to the cost of living, and even house and neighborhood tours just like this one. So if you want to learn more about where to live in Atlanta, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in Atlanta. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.